easy go.
So you can see my table is not the table that I usually use because I'm at my friend's house, jjteng.
That's me.
Yeah, I put the link in the description below. Please subscribe him.
Thanks so much.
So for today's video, I'm gonna show you 3 patterns that you can make on a Rubik's Cube. So let's get started. First pattern is checkerboard. Checkerboard, you want to perform this move. And then rotate the cube. Repeat it again. Then rotate the cube here. And repeat it again. So that's it for the checkerboard. It will be inverted centers. Inverted centers, you need to perform this move. This and this. Just keep doing these moves until you get the inverted centers. Yeah, that's it. Then you get inverted centers on each 6 sides. Pattern will be the H pattern. Pattern, you need to do M2, U2, M2, U2. Then you get 2 sides of H pattern. If you want to solve your cube back, just reverse the moves and you will get your cube solved. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and click on the notification button. You see the bell there? Click on it.